When it comes to premium accessories for Apple's flagship wireless earbuds, few brands command attention like PITAKA. Known for its forward-thinking materials and minimalist design, PITAKA elevates the AirPods Pro 2 experience with the Sunset Aramid fiber case, a masterclass in craftsmanship, durability, and smart functionality. This case doesn't just protect your AirPods, it enhances the way you carry, charge, and interact with them. This PITAKA Sunset case introduces a refined dual material design that fuses two contrasting but complementary textures. A supple, eco-friendly PU leather top offers a soft, smooth touch with a luxurious finish. A precision-woven Aramid fiber base, the same aerospace-grade material used in high-performance gear, adds resilience, lightness, and a futuristic aesthetic. The contrast between the leather's warmth and the Aramid fiber's cool texture creates a visually striking and tactily satisfying user experience, dual-touch elegance at its finest. This PITAKA Sunset Aramid fiber case for AirPods Pro 2 is more than just a shell. It's a thoughtfully designed fusion of artistry and utility. With its premium materials, integrated MagSafe capability, acoustic intelligence, and seamless fit, it sets a new standard for AirPods protection. If you appreciate high-end materials, smart engineering, and an eye for aesthetic detail, this case is an investment in everyday elegance and long-lasting performance.